Hi everybody, welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna give you the recipe which my Maltese friends shared with me. I've already done the onions. Add the peas, salt and pepper, add your egg yolk, your parmesan cheese, and then your ricotta. From the middle, just gently knead out. Just a tablespoonful into the middle. Get them nice and crispy. They're looking great. They look beautiful. When I've been to Malta, I've really enjoyed the local food. The puff pastry with all the different types of fillings are always delicious. Thanks again for the cooking challenge. Try these sought after Maltese snacks yourself and make sure you show us the results.